Imagine being satisfied with blurred vision. I mean, looking around your room every morning and seeing the blurry outline of all the objects. Some of us, it doesn't take much imagination. That's what we see every morning. But imagine not having your glasses or your contacts. Imagine trying to be satisfied with that kind of sight. How would that make you feel? That'd be awful. That'd be horrible. In Mark chapter 8, Jesus takes a blind man by the hand. He leads him out of town, spits in his eyes, and he touches him, and he says, "What do you see?" He says he sees men walking around like trees. He's got blurred vision. Now imagine being a blind man. Everything pitch dark. And somebody comes along and touches you, and immediately you can see men walking around like trees. You can have blurred vision. How would that make you feel? That'd be awesome. That'd be amazing. I mean, it's better where you came from. You have your sight back partly. My point is, I think we can become satisfied with partial or even blurry vision and not even recognize it as that. There's a reason why Jesus led the blind man out of town before he healed him and then told him not to tell anybody. Because this was not for the townspeople. This lesson was for the apostles. They had witnessed Jesus feed the 5,000 and the 4,000 with very few loaves and very few fishes. And then they picked up more baskets full of leftovers than what they had at the very beginning. It's just a remarkable miracle. And yet, you know what they're arguing about on the boat ride over to heal the blind man? Somebody forgot the bread. There's a bread shortage. And Jesus warns them about the leaven of the Pharisees, and they hear leaven and they think, he knows about the bread. You see, the Pharisees, they were blind. They were asking for a sign of their choosing, so they had a reason not to believe. But the apostles, they could see a little bit better, but not much better. It was just a little blurry. Jesus' point in this miracle is do not be satisfied with blurry spiritual vision. Because blurry vision may be helpful in the life of the one who has it, but it's not helpful for us to be satisfied with it. We have a religious world that is full of blurry vision, full of blurry teaching. The true disciple of Jesus Christ is always looking to the Lord for more clarity and more understanding. We're digging deeper in the Word, we're studying. We're looking to have our eyes wide open to the truth.